Hey, in this video, I'll show you a very simple way to actually find watch later playlist on YouTube. So you learn how to find it. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button because they keep changing them all the time. Here's what you need to do. Also comment down below which country are you watching this video from, and also comment down if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I'd love to help you out. So what you want to do is click on the profile icon. It can be at the bottom right corner or top right corner. You want to click on it. It says you or your profile image, whatever. You want to navigate down to playlists. And normally here, somewhere here, you should have your watch later playlist. For me, it's a little bit to the right and it's actually here. If you've saved something recently, it should be at the top, but I didn't. So it's right here because I kind of maxed it out. It has 5K videos or something top. As you can see, I have 4,999. You can also see it if you click on view all, but that's pretty much it. If you still have any questions, comment down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe.